name is Haniah, and this day I learned how to draw the starry night. This is the moon. It has a yellow hat. These are the eyes and nose and mouth. And these are the stars. And this is my brother, Dad, Solomon.
So the first one was your little brother?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And me. And
Is that Mommy?
no. Mommy is in South Carolina.
Mommy's in South Carolina. Okay. Okay.
And this is Roy.
Rory. He's here from Ireland. Whoa, careful. Sissy's back there. Hey, dude. It's like I'm coming in. Whap. Look at Sissy's drawing. Isn't that amazing?
And this is the glass.
Wow.
Don't touch it.
Okay, let's keep him from touching it. Yeah, because you'll wipe it off. We don't want you to wipe off her beautiful drawing. Thank you for showing me, Haniah. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.